Good morning from Koh Phangan. So today we've arrived at a new island, Koh Phangan, for the full moon party, which has actually been cancelled, so there's not a full moon party anymore, but there's still a party going on the beach. But today we're going to go to a water park. It's like a total wipeout water park, so I'm going to take you guys with me, use the GoPro and the drone. Obviously not this, because that would just be stupid to take this along, but we're going with Joanna Wilson and boyfriend Tom. They managed to get us in for free to do a bunch of social media stuff with the company that runs the whole thing. So yeah, it should be a fun day. For those of you who don't know, Jo is Niall's sister. I actually know all of them quite well. Pretty tired this morning, so we got a bus to Koh Phangan and a ferry, and the bus was 10 hours, and it was like just a regular sit-up bus, and I just didn't sleep a wink. So I recuperated a bit of sleep last night, but to be honest with you, I'm not doing well.
I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back. You just come running back.
Oh, okay, yeah, got it. Really burning my feet.
You get so far.
I'm having to stand like on this little drink. Think of the drink. Oh, no.
Keep going.
Oh, she did it!
Oh, 206.
You know what, my camera when he's...
Oh, that's wrong foot.
Oh, my chest. Oh. This one won't hurt.
Go, 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 go.
Oh!
Put your hands on it.
Ah. Oh, that's wrong foot. Oh, my chest. Oh.